Hello friends, welcome back to the my video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to code guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo phone by factory reset. Friends, you want to factory reset on your Oppo phone device means you want to erase guys your old data, your photos, videos, everything else you want to delete in your Oppo phone device. So how to factory reset and how to erase old data on Oppo phone device. Today friends, I am going to show you in this video guys. So friend, first of all guys, open your phone setting to erase all data. After the phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your in your Oppo phone device. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting, and guys you can see language, date and time, keyboard setting. So when scroll friends, you can see last backup and reset. Friends, we'll click on backup and reset. Guys, now you can find backup my data setting and erase all data. You can see erase all data on phone factory reset. We will tap here. Fancy here guys, you can reset guys your internet settings. Friends, you can see erase old data. So when tap here, you will draw your pattern friends. Friends, you can see this will erase old data. Friends, when you will tap here guys, this will erase all data on your Oppo phone. So we will cancel. So friends, you can see erase all data friends, including your photos, video guys, your Google account. So everything will delete when you will tap here guys. And guys, you have any password, enter your password and friends draw your pattern lock, and guys you can erase it. Friends, you can see erase option friends, then you will tap here, everything will delete on your Oppo phone device. So before erase data guys, first of all guys, you have guys your main photos like videos, document files. So we transfer into another device guys. After transfer guys, you can erase all data easily guys. So guys, click on guys your erase all data setting, and guys you can find erase all data guys with shortcut setting also guys. Search here guys erase. As you can see erase all data, and tap here factory reset guys you want to. So tap here and you can factory reset from here. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, I don't want to erase. Friends, you want to erase guys, draw your pattern, enter your password, click on erase all data, everything will delete on your Oppo phone device. So bye guys.